Hello, 7th graders. Today we're going to talk about literal equations. So a little bit of vocab first. Literal equation is an equation with two or more variables. A formula is a type of literal equation that states a rule for a relationship between the variables. So for example, in science, density is equal to the mass divided by the volume. So this is the formula. We have D equals M divided by V. If we want to solve for M, like it's asking for an A, we just need to undo that V to get M by itself and multiply both sides by V. Well, those V's go away, leaving us with just M. So we have M on the right side and V times D on the left. Well, if we wanted to rewrite this with the variable that we were solving for on the left, it would be M equals dV. So using this equation, M equals dV, we need to figure out what the mass of an object is with D equaling 11 and V equaling 8. That means we're going to plug 11 in for D, so M equals 11 times 8 in for 8 in for V. And M equals 88. 11 times 8 is 88. C is asking for us to solve the equation for V, or our volume. So if we have M equals dV, well, to get V by itself, the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So now I have V equals M divided by D. So that helps us with D. It says, what is the volume of an object with D equaling 3 and M equaling 27? So we're going to go ahead and plug in 3 for D and 27 for M. We have V equals 27 divided by 3, and that tells us that V equals 9. So go ahead and try A and B on your own using this formula and come back and see how you did. Okay, so to solve for T, we can't actually just multiply by D to get T by itself. Since we're dividing by T, we actually have to multiply both sides by T first. That leaves us with T times S, or TS, equals D. Now we can actually divide by S to get that T totally by itself. So we have T equals D over S. And that's our equation when we solve for T. So now using that equation, we can go ahead and answer B. It says given S equals 50 miles per hour, we're plugging 50 in for S. And D equals 350 miles, we're plugging 350 in for D. What is the time? Well, that gives us T equals 350 divided by 50. So T equals 7.